15 minutes a day for me, you know.
Yes, you may tell you.
Come on, man.
Yes, you may tell you that is a rush, you know. You have to give me some time.
Get time? Look how long me I get time. You know how much months me not get nothing?
Actually, I talk to you. You have to give me some time. Let me tell you, just rush me so. It take time, I need some time.
What kind of time
I feel like I did right there too.
Soft like a gummy bear. Every night I see him thing. You think so you go in a bathroom and see how long God knows what you're doing there. And when me drop asleep, you just run and come in, come lie down beside me.
When you drop asleep. So you're going to be a tiny fit when you drop asleep. You know when you drop asleep?
Get on your bed, man. Months, me no feel nothing down here, so. Me can't take no more drug right now. Go take over your space now.
Because you always a rush me. Me tell you, say, give me some time and you have that chat too. Give me some time and me just work myself.
I be a gimme.
Because I rush me. Me tell you, say, it don't work so. Sure. You always do some things to make me feel like me nah do me think and me nah try. Where you go? So where that I go solve? See that's so matter, bro. Sure. Yo, Quench, Link Kush, and Linky light skin freak, yeah, man. No, man, no worry about them. Yo, I have to do something. I try to save me thing. I have to do something. How much? Alright, me line up the money. I have it tomorrow. Man, you keep on talk about this erectile dysfunction and it's tired feelings in my ears, man. Nothing now work for me. Yo, the blue pill did work, you know. But when I ask, Kush if you can't get some more, I say, can't get no more. What if your grandfather can get it? Yo, just link Kush, man. I want to link it freak, man. We have the money. See? Ah, brother.
Fight for your right. Always listen now. Fight for your right. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Way. You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
Hey, girl. Well gone. Girl, I have some juicy details to give you. Well, I know you're so easy. I went to the park yesterday and I met a guy there. And me tell you, I feel so well, I don't know how to explain, but me tell him I just want to strip him down same time. Oh, I should do that? Alright, may I do it tomorrow and see what's going from here. Alright, bye. Tomorrow. Yeah.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Come on.
Pretty baby.
Come on. Here.
All the qualities I need, girl, you got it all in you.
I'm looking for Chris.
Chris?
Yes.
Nobody work here named Chris.
Come on, isn't Jamaican recording studio?
Yeah, but I mean, no, Chris is here.
But this is where he told me that he works.
And Chris, I tell a lie, man.
Alright, thanks. Thank you.
But if you want to do some vocal recording or whatever, you can get that done.
No, thanks. I can't even sing, but have a good day.
Alright,
Thanks
put
a
you,
lot.
man.
Yeah. It's too much. Why?
Long man that dip your man and you still a young. Yo, stop that man. How are you man? Hear me say, you take this thing short.
Yeah.
You know, say me know we can eat a food.
Well, talk to me. I know what I go on there.
Yeah man, can eat a food, cause guess what now? One day me dey on a little work site. Me I do some local electrical thing for some youth up the road there. And me I tell you say me over here a little boy I talk about some pills, something. Hold on there man, no me tell you. A perks pill in your perks 30.
Brother.
Some blue pill.
You know, some of them in New York, I know them pill they youth. Them
You
pill
know-
expensive in a youth.
Sure no. Let me tell you man, we can get all 4 grand for one. We can make it happen, you know what you say?
The police them kind of dip on my case still, but you know what? Them can't catch
Say,
up with me because you don't know my
no
style.
worry about them man. Just make we eat the food.
Brother, sure, say the thing legit, dog.
Man.
Alright.
Yes.
I'm just gonna get one of my niggas, you know what I'm saying, and like get things together and get back to you. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, do that now. But hear me I say, Lord, look a Yankee thing now man. You look from where you get it. Take far enough for your mind, brother. One to you man.
Yeah,
Fuck
alright,
them
you
thing
know,
there,
man.
man.
Yo, whatever, man. You're good, man. Me link you.
Hey girl, what's up? You remember the guy that I told you about? Yeah, I finally gave him my number and yeah, we've been texting and talking. He seems like a nice guy though. He invited me over to his house and I'm kind of feeling a bit nervous. I swear. But yeah, it's Thursday. He said Thursday. Yeah. I'm nervous, but because I never done nothing like this before. I'm really nervous. But yeah, we just gonna talk. When me are nervous, like we just gonna talk. It's been a long time since I've ever gone near another man. When me are scared of, you know, long one next man will touch me. Junior, I'm not worried about Junior. You know, long Junior don't give me what me want. Why? My body tell me yes and my mind tell me no. But we set a date for Thursday, so maybe just go anyways and see how it turns out. Yeah, alright. Yes. As usual, I'm gonna get all of the juicy details. Alright, bye.
Sorry for keep you waiting, so what's up?
Dennis, I don't think this is a good idea.
Why?
I'm married. I don't think I can do this.
What are you talking about?
It don't feel right. I'm married, Dennis. No feel right.
I know, but you're already here, so why the delay?
I can't do this.
Babe.
Don't go. I can't do this.
Baby. Just need some companionship.